noise doesn't seem to start until it gets up to about 30 miles an hour. I'm positive if it's a tire or exhaust. Possibly be a wheel bearing or something, but I don't really think it's a wheel bearing. It's not making an abnormally loud noise when I rev it up here at the stop, so it is making a low ticking. It seems once it gets up to about 30 miles an hour, it starts a louder noise. "25, 30. There comes that droning like. It was in third gear. I put it in fourth gear. Man, that is loud. It's in fifth gear, going 60. I don't think any of the windows are open. Oh shit, emergency brakes off. Did just check the oil. It has plenty of oil in it. The faster you go, the louder it gets. I'm up to 70 now. Seems to be coming from the engine compartment. I can't even tell that 100%. Clutch, neutral. I'm in neutral. The noise was still going. I'm thinking it's coming from a tire. I still don't know for sure though. Still rolling in neutral. When I put on the brake, going 50, and there's no noise at all. Wait a minute. God, I would say that was a noise. Still running. This thing is weird. It's hard to do this video with the stick shift. Right now is no problem. 20 miles an hour. There starts the noise. 30. Fourth gear. is something with the steering. Because if you turn to the right, it stops, and then you start turning gradually to the left, and it's doing it. Or I guess that could be a tire moving around. Like if you just held it straight, I guess maybe I need to check the power steering fluid. Okay, shutting off the video of the test drive for the Volkswagen 2002 diesel Beetle, making the strange noise. Hopefully it's power steering fluid.